What are your realizations in gender and society subject?
Before, my first day here at UNC, actually I'm a transfer student from Martin. But I took first year political science here at UNC, but the second semester I transferred because of some issues. Parang hindi ako ready but this year, parang madaming nagbago, parang gano'n. Tapos, yun, ako, parang regular, ang dami kong gagawin. Tapos nakita ko yung gender society. Anong subject ko? Like, anong ginagawa niya sa subject ko? Parang gano'n. Then, first day, pumasok ko, sir, parang nag-trigger ako kasi parang napaka-electric ni Sir Jao. But then, time goes by naman na habang narinig ko yung nasa inyo namin sa gender and society. Una, sabi ko, ang boring-boring kasi palagi ko na namin narinig yung gender, equality, gano'n. Ang dami na namin narinig kasi sa call site. Relevant yung social media, gano'n. Pag-realize ko, hindi pala siya basta-basta gender and society na about lang sa gender, about lang sa ganito, about lang sa ganyan. May mga variety siya na may pag-realize ko lahat ng bagay may proseso. Iba-iba silang way kung paano nila express. Yun yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko lang na part sir. Paano ng Jenso kay Andres? Yung tamang sa tao, parang pag-approach.
What is your realization about gender and society?
At first, I was very doubtful of the subject, gender and society. I expected surface level knowledge will begin from this subject, and it will be mainly boring and cliche, as I've already encountered some of the lessons that are related to this subject, such as the LGBTQ plus topic. So, outside of my interest and field of study that I am pursuing, because I am an architecture student, I thought this subject was irrelevant. As time goes by, I realized the knowledge that I've gained from external sources such as seminars and other forms of education that I've taken. They were mainly talking about society and issues regarding them, and I realized na it was just a droplet of knowledge. An ocean of knowledge to be directed to me or ma-absorb ko para mas maging wider ang perspective ko about those things related to gender and society. I've learned a lot of new things and terms. Their definitions were interchangeable for me and not clear in this subject. And with Sir Zhao's approach to discussion, such as the presentations by group and questions or inquiries asked to ourselves, was very insightful for me. As we get to hear from what we thought was right and what was generally facts for everyone. Experiences are definitely not the same. They have different perspectives.
What are your realizations in this subject, gender and society?
At first, before I thought this particular subject is irrelevant because gender and society, minum naman today's time, tinuturo na sa mga seminars, trainings, and as time goes by, when I entered the class of Sir Zhao Ugarte, he discussed all the in-depth details that we should know at this age. Especially, there are terms that I already know, but Sir Zhao discussed it in detail. For example, yung intersex. Yung term na yun, narinig ko lang siya dun sa movie na Ipaglaban Mo dahil may isang case doon. Pero nung diniscuss ni Sir Zhao, there's a history, Greek history about that. Doon ko siya na-realize na, yung intersex pala ganito, ganyan. Tapos yung LGBTQIA plus community, akala ko bakla, tomboy, babae, lalaki lang. Ngayon, meron Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, and our very own Vice President Lenny Robredo. This particular scenario shows us that we are all equal, provided